Hey guys, we received this WinVan Kids smartphone toys for test and try. So this is a touch screen, SD dual camera, cell unicorn, or the phone for the kids. It's a travel toy with the preschool learning apps inside it, and many other fun things that you can use. So this comes to a nice case in here that you can see. So it's a protective silicone case with the on and off button thing, and also this have this small starting thing. So with the charging, aux cable input, uh, camera and everything. So this is started with the side button and you can see animated things in here with the camera thing. So you can record the videos. So it's a fun learning like camera, videos, or your microphone, audio books, paint and thing. Also have a piano. And for others, you can draw the pictures or the drawing things. And there's the apps like music, games, English, keyboard, the other things like videotapes and countdown, clocks, alarm, calculator, torch, family. So there are like lot of things or the apps this have. You can also change the wallpaper and the kids can have their own photo and then you can play all the different games in here. So it's a great fun for the kids and great things for the learning as well. And this have this autofocus camera where you can see and play the things. The screen also not that bright, so it's safe use and it's a drop resistance because of this silicone case and then the app thing. So it's a really great learning and the fun thing for the kids and they can have fun with the great stuff and this have this lanyard and other accessories that you can use along with this. Overall, my impression for this phone is really nice and good and is great fun for the kids to see like how the kids are using it.
चलो
So
चलो
they are
करो
pretty good in their
कुछ भी
hands.
जो तुम्हारा मन
They
कर
can
लो
hold well. They can play with the piano. They can record and do a lot of fun stuff.
चल कर
So hope your kids like this as well because my kid like it and they enjoyed all
चलो
this
नाइस
piano and the other games or
ऊपर
the
वाला करो
drawing or
नीचे
the
वाला करो
painting. And this is
नीचे
also
वाला करो ना
the
मेन
drop proof.
मेन
So
मेन में
the silicone layer is actually very helpful in protecting the cable. So overall, a very nice toy phone with a camera for the kids to learn and enjoy their time, learn things. And touchscreen also is very responsive. See like the fun they are making, they are learning on its own what the different colors they want and then how they want to use this. So my kids like this a lot and hope your kids will like this as well. Great gift with a charging cable, lanyard, and the 8 GB chip inside it, and having fun. So this is how you charge this with the USB-C cable. Yep, so easy to charge and use. Very nice set.